people, I'm back here with another video with my friend.
Hi.
And we're playing Flee the Facility.
It looks like we're going to Home State Mill.
Yeah. Okay, I'm a survivor. You're the beast, aren't you?
Yeah.
I like this one, so I'm not complaining.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's too, open, so it's like, oh, wait, I just need to do something.
No lap, no computer in there. This room? Any...
Well, at least my hammer is working right now.
Oh, okay. Close the door, close the door, close the door.
Really good. My hammer isn't working.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Same have I. I'm not hacking. I'm not hacking. You can trust me. I'm definitely not hacking.
There's 2 people here.
I messed up. I messed up. I pressed the wrong thing. I pressed W.
I got 2 people. It doesn't matter. I'm taking someone, dragging.
Okay, good. I'm glad you're not taking
The
me.
girl's just following her, so I'm just gonna hit her right after. So.
Okay.
Because I'm not a stupid.
Don't get me. Don't get me. You can't get me, and I just messed up again. Why? I don't know.
I'm just a camper, so I won't get you. I found this other girl.
I'm
Yeah, I
scared.
hit it.
Okay, that time I didn't mess up. Surprisingly. Wait. You captured 2 people already?
Yeah.
I'm coming. I'm gonna come. You didn't hear
No.
You didn't hear a word I said.
Of course.
Okay, that one's done. I feel like you're gonna be outside this door. I'm running. I know where these people are. Oh, you did not see this human.
Yes!
Why? Why? No, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. I didn't. I don't deserve this.
You sure? I mean, I could give you a few last words since it's a YouTube video.
Hey, can you not kill me because I really want to live?
Where'd you go? No. No.
I am so happy.
Come back here. Come back here.
Wait, what?
Yes.
You couldn't get me.
I'm gonna put you in the maze this time.
Really? Okay, I'm gonna be stuck here forever now. Okay, yeah, if you put, yeah. Okay, you won. Why?
It's square.
No. No. Why? Why do you have to be so mean? Why? I didn't deserve that.
What if you're the beast? Will you get me?
I'll get you last. You got me
I
last.
got you last. Well, it depends if you find me or not.
If I don't find
you, you're gonna get me.
If I don't find you,
I only got you. I only didn't get you just because I was too occupied with these other girls.
wait, what level are they on? Oh, one's on the
The
17.
one's on level 17 and the other one's on level 3.
Yeah.
And I just pushed it down.
And you're on level 28. How? I don't know.
But I am. I make sure they die and no one's safe.
Why do you make sure they die?
But so I wait till they die and then I go get the other people.
Okay. I need to use your tactics.
No.
That
Fell down.
That jump. Oh, let's vote for map. No, she voted for a dark map. Gil. Oh, okay.
I'm So the beast is someone on level 17.
Oh yeah, the person on 17. And I
Where are you?
this. Oh, in the middle bit.
Okay.
Okay, there's a laptop here.
I found a computer though.
Yeah, same.
I'm gonna turn my sound up.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have my sound up. Why? I don't
The
know.
beast! The beast! Oh! The beast is coming! No!
Okay.
Oh, I escaped the door.
I'm with this other girl.
She's coming to the middle room.
Wait, what?
The beast.
Well, I'm still hiding.
She's in the middle room, by the way. She's coming for you. I saw her go in there. I'm in like the meeting room.
Okay, I see her. No, she's got me. No, Gil. Hell, I tried jumping away.
I'll help you.
I tried my hardest to jump. I tried. No, help! I'm in the middle room.
Is she gone away?
Well, she's by the steps.
I see her.
Try jumping over her, maybe.
No, she hit me! Oh no! No!
That girl, she just doesn't
Dragged
care.
me away! No!
She's on level 3 and she's got someone who's on level 20. No, she's on level 17 and she's got someone who's on level 20.
Oh, don't say that. Leave.
8.
I'm gonna say help.
So she's on level 17. She got some. No, I'm gonna die. Bye bye. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Where is the other girl? Is she coming to save me?
I would spectate. Okay, she's hacking. She's just hacking away. She's not gonna save you anytime soon.
Seriously?
I know, right?
Are you gonna edit this part?
No.
Oh, okay. We'll play 3 rounds, okay?
Okay.
Is she still hacking? Is she gonna close?
Well, if we have time for 3
Save me.
rounds, because it's 7 minutes have gone and you can only do 15. So if we have time for 3 rounds.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna die, so. Goodbye, world.
Yes.
It was nice knowing you. But now I'm cynical too.
Bye bye.
Well, at least I look good in blue. I mean, look at me. Woo!
Wait. Okay, so
I can't believe this one, girl.
yeah, she just was hacking away.
Yeah.
Why? I don't know. Okay, where is the beast? I hope the beast gets her. The beast just walked past her. Evie, I saw your dead body.
I know.
They look
Do you think
identical.
this will take 7 minutes? Do you think this will waste time?
I'm not sure.
Can you, like, edit the video? Cut this
Um,
out.
not really. I'm not sure how.
No,
Okay.
there she is. There she is. This might not actually happen then. Oh, what?
They look identical. How do they have the same clothes?
Yes! That's what you get for not saving me, girl.
And me.
Yeah.
She was just hacking. No, I got caught and she was just hacking.
I'm sad now.
Oh, I see it, buddy. But why do they look the same? How did that happen?
Oh no, she left her there.
How did you not notice? No, there's no thing in there, I don't think.
Should we leave and join another game?
Oh, we could.
Oh wait, she's back.
9 minutes have gone. We've got 15.
9 minutes. Okay, I'm leaving. I left. Join a different game.
Okay.
Join my game. Oh, it's a broken game. Go off.
broken game? What do you mean by broken?
I went off and went back on. So, now join because now it's the right game. Game over, B's left, basically. There's actually quite good players in here.
Okay. I'm just joining now.
This is the last round. We better make it a good one. Are you gonna make it a good one, Mel?
No.
No. Nope. Millie, have you joined yet?
I am joining.
Well, Millie, when you do, just look outside the window.
What
You
is it?
joined?
Oh, you're outside the window, aren't you? One of the
Yeah.
windows.
Quick, the round starts in 15 seconds.
That's right, I'm on a different server.
What?
I joined yours. No. How? How did that happen?
Quickly, the round
Join!
By Mr.
Join! I'm joining! Just hurry up!
Join?
Hurry up and... Come on, quick.
The game started already.
Why?
You didn't make it in time.
Okay, I'll spectate you and tell you where the beast is.
You won't be able to tell me where the beast is.
I can spectate.
But I am the beast.
Wait, what?
I'm the
Oh,
beast.
okay. That's right. Okay, I'll tell you where
Look, I
people
just
are.
lit. Wow, that was weird. Did you see that, Millie?
No. Oh, you got someone already.
Yeah, already. I'm pretty good. Pretty good
Okay.
at this game.
There's a girl
But I'm
outside them doors. So there's a girl outside the doors.
I see it.
Oh, she's hiding. She's hiding. She's hiding.
I see it.
She's coming up. There she is. See? Get her. Run. No.
I know.
She's going back in. She's going back in. She's going back in.
I know. I see
Oh,
it.
and there's another guy coming through. There's another guy.
Okay.
Get him. He's trying to go through glass, okay? He's coming up.
I see him. Well, they are not good at this game.
Okay, you've already got him. Go. Yes! No, Russian. You got her already? How? How though? How?
Okay,
Game
that
over.
was pretty easy. Well, is that your video, Millie?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Okay, guys, I guess this is it for this strange video.
Yeah, very strange. Because I kept talking about it.
Yeah. So, bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Okay?
That bell button. Ding, ding.